In the field of switches, the world operates orderly because of us. We hold the key to issuing an order. We place importance in education and training, focus on innovation and R&D in control switches, believe in the core value of mutualism, and adhere to the philosophies of integrity, excellence, and sharing in order to create a win-win situation in the market. Constantly focus on process technology and production efficiency, and have a reliable, fully automated production line in control and management with an annual capacity of 800 million tons. We design and develop molding, then produce various types of materials on our own. This includes injection molding of plastic injection and the manufacture of metal components through press and lathe machines, etc. We use a variety of raw materials in processing, plus our own supply of production materials. We can even operate under automated or manual assembly without any production delays. The product lines range from toggle switches to rocker switches and metal switches. There are 50 categories in all. We adhere to the principles customer first and quality first, and demand the best of ourselves. We insist on perfection and never compromise when facing difficulties. In this way, we have created the optimal customized solutions with high quality and good performance for our customers. After many years of effort and dedication, not only do we provide the highest quality products for our customers, but we also have products that have passed stringent certifications, such as TUV, UL, ISO 9001, 9002, 14001, OSAS 18001, ROSE, and SGS. Our service offices are located in Taipei, Shenzhen, Dongguan, Suzhou, and Beijing to better provide innovative and integrated design services. Our products are marketed around the world and are highly trusted, as well as being recognized by our global customers, which makes us the global leader in switches. The world operates in an orderly fashion because of us. And we create value because of you.